Hello guys. Um, I got a question about a gap app and what to do after. And someone tells me that I'm always saying that I should sell the gap app in the morning, even before the market opens. But the real thing is sometimes the stock is continuing to go up that day and other days. So there is no need to exit if the stock will continue up. Now, this you will never know. How do you know that the gap in the morning? You see a gap even before the market opens at 9:30. Let's say you see a gap. Let's say the stock was $50, and then at 8 o'clock in the morning before the market opens, the stock is at 60. It's a gap up, and it's a lot of money. But at 9:30, there is a lot of people who sell their shares because they have this $10. Okay? They have it. Now, when there is a big sale at 9:30, this is where the people, they sell at the market. Okay? Some people, they just want to do that. They sell at the market. Whatever is the price, they just put a market order. Now, let's say we have a lot of people who are selling. Here I'm not speaking about short sellers, okay? I'm just speaking about people who, like me, for example. I am a swing trader. I bought it yesterday at $50. Today it is $60 in the morning, and I say, man, every $100 I'm having $1,000. So I shouldn't stay and play with this money, because for some people it's a huge money. I'm not speaking about $500, $1,000, or $10,000. Okay, I'm speaking about a huge money. Don't think like you are thinking about a few $100 or $1,000, $2,000. Okay, some people, they have a lot of money in the market and they can get a big chunk of money. Okay, so understand that it's a game. Now, let's say the stock was 60 before 9:30, but after 9:30 it goes down to 55. Okay, should I it's just my opinion. Should I lose all this, half of the profit? I lose it just because people are selling? This is just a question. Now, for me, I do what I think it is right for me. Okay? I'm not thinking about other people. I don't care about other people, what they do. They stay or they sell or they short or whatever they do. Okay? Everybody in the market is free to do what he wants, not to see the results and then he thinks. The people who said, like this guy who told me, oh, sometimes it goes up. Yes. For me, I have a technique. If it continues to go up, I buy it again. What's the problem? Oh, you have sold. Yes, I have sold. What's the problem? For me, there is no problem to buy and sell again when I see the stock is still continue up. But what if, I tell you the thing right now, what if there is a short sellers and the stock is going from 60 going back to 52 or 53 and you lose all your gap up? What do you think about that? You begin crying and you say, oh, if I have sold before. So don't judge the situation after it is a past, because Everything which is in the past is easy to trade. Okay? If I know that that stock goes from $1, it goes to $30 in 1 month, man, I will sell my house. I will take all my money from my bank account, from my brokers, and put it in that stock. I'm sure 100%. And if the money I have, even in my pocket money, if I have some coins, I will put them there in this stock. Because I know it goes from $1, it goes to $30 in 1 month. Okay? I know. So people, they don't trade the past. That's why this is my teaching. I teach you how to trade the future, not the past. Because the past, any stupid person goes online, he give you the chart and he say, oh man, buy here, sell here, do this, do that, and you ask him why or how, he doesn't know. Okay? And this is what the analysts say, and this is what all majority of the people they do. They always think in the past. They see the past and try to comment on the past. Okay? For me, my goal is to teach new traders how to trade the future. It means what to do in order to get money from things that are coming that no one knows. It's not the past. The past, any stupid person can tell you, oh, you buy, oh, there's a gap up here, but it goes up. Okay, don't sell. In this situation, don't sell. But if you see another gap up and the short sellers, they sell short and the stock goes down, I say, no. In this situation, sell in the morning. Okay, how do you know? How do you know that there are short sellers or some people are selling? How do you know? You will have no way to know until you wait until you see the day how it goes. Some stocks, when there is a gap up, they are so high but they go so down. Although you make money, but you lose a lot of money. That's why I always this technique for many years. I'm successful with that, so I continue with that. But for me, it's not important. What is important is I get a big profit from that stock with a gap up. Okay? With like Apple last time, I got some. Facebook, it wasn't that good. But before, two times, one time I get $10 for each share. And one time I got Facebook, I get $15 for each share I bought. Okay? This is good money. I will never let this good money, any dollar from this money, I don't want that some people will change the direction of the stock and put it down and then I lose my money. Okay? So for you, it's up to you. Okay? You can wait until the day opens and you see. But this, if you wait and you see the end of the day, what are you doing here? You are doing like a day trading. You will be watching in the morning what happened at 10 o'clock, what happened 11, 12. For me, I am not a day trader. I told you, or I told many guys, a lot of people, I am not a day trader to watch my stock every minute. I don't. Okay? Sometimes when we have earnings, I see in the morning. If I see a gap up, I take my money from the market. I don't care what will happen later. Either it goes up or it goes down. It doesn't matter for me because I have a big profit. I don't care. Okay? But if I see according to my strategies, if I see that the stock is strong and is continuing, I will buy it again under certain criteria, and that's it. If it goes up and up, I will make more and more and more money. If it goes down again, I have a stop loss and exit. Okay? So easy. Don't complicate things and don't trade the future. You say to me, oh, I sold it in the morning, but later it goes up. Okay, and if it goes down, what's the thing? What do you say? You say, I'm lucky. I sold it in the morning. I'm lucky. So here, I don't play with luck. All my strategies are not based on luck, on hope and gambling. I don't gamble. When I do strategy, it should work as I wish. If something doesn't work, I exit the trade. I am out of the market. I don't care what happened in the market. Okay? I don't care because I am out. Other people, they send me an email. Oh, Kareem, there is a gap up in that stock. I say, were you in that stock? Did you buy it yesterday? Or you say, no, I just see it. Okay. In the market, each day we have gap ups in a lot of stocks, sometimes hundreds of stocks daily. Okay? So why you are excited? If you are not making money from that stock that you tell me. Okay? This is something happens. There is a gap up, there is a gap down every day in the market. Okay? For me, I like real things. What does it mean? It means if you are really in a stock or something you have done, it's real. I'm not doing theory. Okay, just theory, just talking like this, without a goal or without something informative to use in your trading. That's why I make my trading strategies available in training to just go through it and apply the rules, and then you can make money in the future when you acquire the skill. Okay, so as I told you before, gap ups or gap downs, they are very risky trades. Okay, so if you want to do gap up or like earning dates, and the stock is gapping up or down, it means sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down, and understand that you are risking too much money in that trade. Understand that it's not a game for those who are whining and those who are crying always for losing hundreds of dollars or $1,000, $2,000. They are like crying, and if you are crying like this, you shouldn't do trading, because trading is for those who have strong hearts. Strong. Okay? As you make money, you can lose money, so you should be strong. If your money, you don't want to lose any dollar from your money, you should never trade. You should take your money from the market and save it, or do whatever you like with it. Okay? Or spend it. But don't go to the market and you know it's risky and you want to play safe. Like I found someone who put like a video about investing or trading safely. I say there is no safe. What does it mean safe? What does it mean safe? You put your money in the market. Tomorrow maybe we have a war in another country and the whole market collapse. Okay? So it's hard. It's hard. So you should have strong heart. You have skills, and you accept what the market gives you, and you calculate your risk always. Whenever you want to put money in the market, you calculate your risk. You should never put money and go to sleep and you say, I will look tomorrow what the stock will do. This is a stupid idea. Okay? Naive. People who are just gambling with their money, and they will never succeed. Okay? Or some people who have very little money, $500 or $1,000 or wherever, and they want to make $1 million in 1 year. You know, they just try to gamble like this and not to take things seriously. Okay? Following dreams that they see when they're sleeping, or daydreaming, as they say. So the game of earning dates with gap up or gap down, it's a risky game. It's more risk than the normal trade. When you trade, you lose little bit, or you can lose too much. Okay, when there is a gap down, some people, for example, last time when they bought Apple, not this time but the other time, it goes down with $7 or $8. So those who bought Apple, they make a big loss. Okay, with Apple also, with Twitter also. Now with Facebook, the 2 times before they were good, but this time it's a small gap up. Okay, it's not that big, but it's okay. It's okay. You should accept what the market gives you. Always accept the market thing and be at ease with yourself and with the market. Okay, the market is doing what it is doing, and you should do what you want to do, and that's it. You should all be fine. Okay, now if you have more questions, please comment here or send me a private message, and subscribe to my channel if you don't. And there are like a free training that I put with some about the chart, some about my broker. You can just check how things are, and it's just a way to look differently at some point or some chart or some candlesticks. And if you have questions, as usual, just send me a private message. The email is on the top of the description as always. You go to my website and you check what I offer. And thank you very much and have a nice day.